So today I want to talk about growing lavender from seed. And so this variety right here is the Munstead lavender, and see how teeny everything is. I don't know if I can get the light to shine on it a little better. And so this is I just started this. It's a sterile seed mixture, so it has no fertilizer or anything like that, and it's nice and light and fluffy. And so this is a little dry right here, so I don't keep it overly wet, and that's because I don't want to get fungus gnats and things like that. But see, this is, when did I start this? It's probably about 3 weeks old, maybe even 4. And see, the problem is I started this, it doesn't need any bottom heat, and you can plant it, you can start growing these right on the windowsill. And so, as you've probably seen from some other videos, I live here in Vermont. It's a zone 4, so it's really cold. And this just shows you that, yes, you can grow lavender in Vermont. And so like this one right here, it's really starting to, it's getting kind of leggy, which is not good. This is better right here, how it's like that. And then this one's not too bad. So I will fix them. But I just wanted to show you, yes, you can start lavender from seed, and these are some lights that I am using to grow my seedlings. I have other seedlings over here. Those are, what is that? That's thyme. That's what these are. These are all thyme. I just keep it covered, just helps with moisture and stuff like that. So I have quite a few. So what I'm trying to do is, the point of growing more Munstead lavender herbs is I want to try to sell some of them this year at my shop. So I know seeds are really expensive, and so are plants. So I just want to help out the community by providing some lavender herb plants. They can grow for aromatherapy, home use, or if they want to make some sachets or whatever and stuff like that and give it as gifts. So it's a great plant to grow, and I will have more videos on how to grow the lavender herb and other herbs and how to take care of them, because I grow a lot of herbs for my skincare business. All right, well, thank you for joining me today. This is a short video, and if you like what you're seeing here, please either leave a comment or give me a thumbs up. That'd be great. And if you could share this video to other gardeners who would love to grow lavender, that would be great. And have an awesome day. I will see you next Tuesday.